So in this video, we are going to do the unboxing of wireless Go 3, which is a third generation. I'm already using wireless Go Pro 2, but recently I got this one. So let's just first unbox this and we will see what we have in this box. And then we might compare this with Go Pro as well. So let me just unbox it. So let me just do it. Let me just bring it like this. And first of all, we have cover and some documentation. Over here you can see these are covers. This is the pouch. So let's open it. We might have something in it. We have accessories, type C, and these are the things. And the real thing we have over here. So let me just take it like this. This is a new thing. We can charge it using this panel. This is a C-type panel, and we can charge all three together with just this panel. So let me put it over here, and let me just open this box. Okay, so like this. And let me just focus it over here. So this is wireless Go 3, and this is the transmitter, and this is the receiver. Let me just plug it back and take it out. So this is the receiver. See, so we might compare this with our wireless GoPro 2, and we might see the difference as well, the sound difference. Right now I'm recording with wireless GoPro 2 and this is 3, so we might compare it in our coming videos. Thank you.